NCR is the market leader in the self-checkout space with over 145 retailers installed in over 20 countries worldwide. NCR continues to bring new innovation to the market with over $100 million invested in self-checkout research and development in the last 12+ years. With over 100 patents issued or pending specific to self-checkout hardware and solution portfolio, we significantly surpass all of our competition in this area. The overall solution provides a win-win option for both consumers and retailers. Consumers like self-checkout because it allows them to scan, bag, and pay for their items without having to wait in line for a cashier and can have more privacy and control over their purchases. Retailers like self-checkout since it helps gain operational efficiencies, builds shopper loyalty, and increases sales. Some of the benefits our retailers have seen include up to 50% transactions through self-checkout, over 30% reduction in queues, up to 20% improved throughput, up to 150 labor hours per week redeployed, and up to 7% sales per labor hour increase. The newest release, NCR Self-Serve Checkout version 5, builds on previous innovations that have made NCR Fastlane the leading self-checkout solution for retailers worldwide. Version 5 hardware enhancements include coin and optional note recycling, a modular design to allow even more flexibility for various bagging configurations, and a new in-lane custom color option. NCR Self-Serve Checkout even helps retailers meet their commitment to the environment with environmentally friendly features including low-energy compact fluorescent light bulbs and two-sided receipt printing, which can save retailers up to 40% of their paper usage alone. Version 5 is built around a core module component that gives retailers the flexibility to easily upgrade or change their unit to fit their needs. And the whole transaction for the consumer is done right in front of them, making self-checkout much easier and more flexible. The new design has a much slimmer, sleeker profile, making it more attractive for more retail segments and gives attendants more visibility to see the transaction occurring at the self-checkout. You'll also notice the bagging area is larger, enabling bigger basket sizes, and we've added an optional set-aside shelf for shoppers to place fragile items like loaves of bread. The increased capacity in the bagging area also lets shoppers easily manage bulkier items like cases of water. Again, all designed with the consumer in mind. The new release has an overall faster throughput, enabling consumers to complete their transactions quicker than ever before. Not only does the new design enable faster transactions, we're leveraging NCR's best technology to make this happen, including the NCR RealPOS 80 XRT motherboard and the NCR RealPOS High Performance Bioptic Scanner Scale with Scan Advisor to help guide the consumer through the transaction. In addition to the new version 5 solution, new this year is the NCR Self-Serve Checkout Mini solution. This new solution takes up more than 50% less space than the standard NCR Self-Serve Checkout One Bag solution, ideal for retailers who want to extend the benefits of self-checkout to customers, but have a limited amount of floor space to do so, or would like to extend the benefits of self-checkout in their store without the need for additional space. The NCR Self-Serve Checkout Mini is currently the only reduced footprint self-service checkout solution to offer a full set of security features to reduce loss, including an intervention tri-light and NCR's self-learning, self-adjusted, weight-based security scale. It also offers full integration with remote desk attendant stations for remote monitoring. The integrated self-checkout solution not only provides the NCR self-serve checkout application software, but also includes a 17-inch touchscreen, two-sided receipt printing, presentation scanner, an optional handheld scanner, and a coupon collection device. The solution is available in floor standing or countertop configurations. When the unit is in need of repair, access to all the components is within reach. You simply turn a key and you can pull the drawer out to access the presentation scanner, coupon bin, and receipt printer. Underneath, you can pull down the touchscreen and have access to all the electronics and power supply for the unit. But how does the NCR self-serve checkout solution work in a retailer's environment? What type of integration is needed? The NCR self-serve checkout solution can be efficiently implemented, deployed, and maintained in virtually any retail environment. NCR self-serve checkout features an open architecture that integrates seamlessly into the retailer's existing point-of-sale application. Because NCR self-serve checkout uses the same store controllers for data and communications, there is no need to utilize additional servers or LANs. The total NCR self-serve checkout integration is called the NCR self-serve checkout ecosystem. First, it all starts with the legacy point-of-sale application, which is responsible for the business logic of selling and paying for items in the transaction. NCR leads the market in the number of point-of-sale software integrations available, including IBM, Retalix, and others. The point-of-sale application is seamlessly linked to the self-service user interface for both the consumer and attendant through the integration framework, also known as the transaction broker. The NCR self-serve checkout consumer experience application creates the consumer user interface, which enables shoppers to efficiently scan, pack, and pay for their items. The NCR self-serve checkout software offers our intuitive multi-pathing user interface. This allows the consumer to decide how they are most comfortable interacting with the self-checkout, rather than the self-checkout forcing them to follow a series of steps. The consumer can even complete a simple cash transaction without ever having to touch the screen. The consumer experience application also includes a security agent that is responsible for item validation using a sophisticated self-learning, self-adjusting weight database. Additionally, a personalization engine provides retailer-specific capabilities and branding. The personalization engine also allows loyalty card-based customization, such as automatically switching to the customer's preferred language. Supporting the consumer experience application is the NCR self-serve checkout automatic device detection platform, known as ADD. ADD provides effortless management of hardware lifecycle variations, including firmware upgrades and enhancements. The NCR self-serve checkout attendant experience application provides flexible attendant monitoring with any combination of in-lane, desktop, or handheld capabilities. And finally, NCR self-serve checkout remote management enables remote monitoring and management tools such as NCR Gateway and Remote System Management that provide detailed information to quickly diagnose and resolve problems. Included in the remote management tools is NCR self-serve checkout Enterprise Reporting, which is a web-based reporting application that provides helpful operational metrics whenever and wherever they're needed. I strongly encourage you to watch the NCR self-serve checkout ecosystem video that further describes how the total solution works. As you can see, NCR leads the way with innovation and experience, providing retailers with tools for them to control the way they implement, integrate, and maintain their self-serve checkout solutions. Additionally, NCR self-serve checkout offers the best consumer experience with the most flexible and efficient way to check out. With quicker transaction times, lower intervention rates, and the ability for an attendant to monitor up to 10 self-checkout lanes, the NCR self-serve checkout delivers the best return on investment for the retailer and the most satisfying experience for the shopper.